The Human Lightning Rod, Roy Sullivan. Roy Sullivan was a park ranger in Virginia, but he wasn't just any ranger. He was struck by lightning 7 times and survived every single one. His first strike burned his leg. The second knocked him unconscious. The third blew his hat off. The fourth set his hair on fire. The fifth made him fall into a creek. The sixth hit him while he was driving. And the seventh, he saw a storm cloud, tried to run away, but the lightning found him. After surviving all this, Roy lived until 1983, when he died from a completely unrelated cause. To this day, he holds the record for most lightning strikes survived by a human.